Bitcoin is likely to advance 3.6% by May 26, according to CoinDataFlow. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. Today, Bitcoin is up by 0.8% and trades close to the $77,395.20 mark. Let's move into the projection roundup. 30 Rates' data implies a dip to $77,303 by May 26, suggesting a decline of about 0.1%. CoinPrice forecast expects Bitcoin to reach $77,578, a projected increase of about 0.2%. According to CoinCodex, it might trend upward towards $77,877.07, an estimated gain near 0.6%. A different prediction from CoinDataFlow projects Bitcoin might reach $80,201.17, about 3.6% higher than now. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions predicts $80,334.86 by May 26, a rise of 3.8%. This one gives the best return potential. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decrease of 0.1% to a rise of 3.8%, depending on the analyst. That means Crypto Predictions is forecasting the highest return with 3.8% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you might see gains of between $1 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, 30 Rates' forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 76.5%. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The consensus forecast points to Bitcoin moving higher by about 1.6% in the near term. Let's take a closer look. The consensus perspective shows the price advancing by 1.6%. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 1.6% in step with that change. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $16 in return. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 60.6%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. 30 Rates expects downward momentum to persist. CoinPrice forecast emphasizes a bullish short-term scenario. Likewise, CoinCodex anticipates further bullish movement in the market. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow expects Bitcoin to move higher over the coming days. Bitcoin is projected to gain further, Crypto Predictions also suggests. The consensus, built from multiple analyst perspectives, suggests Bitcoin could climb during the 3-day horizon. According to the gathered forecasts, 80% of analysts expect Bitcoin to advance in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Yesterday's move shows how close they came. As a result, the daily candle closed at $77,068.50. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. Looking strictly at accuracy, Gov Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Let's break it down now. All forecasts ended up outside the boundaries of the candle. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but digital coin price stood highest. And now on screen is the full fact check summary, a quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. Across the results, 30 Rates recorded $3,673.50 accuracy, 44.1% forecast probability, and 2% ROI. Try to find which forecasts actually matched how the market moved. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's income expectations appear across multiple assets. Bitcoin remains in the leading spot with a forecasted profit rate of 1.6%. Here we're comparing Bitcoin with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. That's it, guys. Subscribe now to follow the next set of market predictions. Have a good one.